Stay with me for a moment. Today, we are not just learning English. We are changing the way your brain thinks. Have you ever tried to speak English, but the words don't come? You understand a little. You know some vocabulary. But when it is time to speak, your mind becomes slow. You think in your language first, then you try to translate, and everything feels difficult. If this happens to you, you are not alone. But today, you will learn a different way. A simple way. A powerful way. You will learn how to speak inside your mind. Yes, you can talk in your brain. And when you do this, your English becomes faster, clearer, and more natural.
Quick.
Like this video now. Subscribe for free tips every day. Hit bell. Ready? Let's begin with something very simple. Look around you. What do you see? Maybe a chair. Maybe a phone. Maybe a window. Now say in your mind, this is a chair. This is my phone. The window is open.
Good.
This is the first step. Small sentences. Simple words. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. Just start small. When you feel something, say it in your mind. I am tired. I am happy. I feel calm. These simple thoughts are powerful because now you are not translating. You are thinking directly in English. At first, it may feel strange. Your brain may resist. But don't stop, because slowly, your brain is building a new habit, a new path. And this path leads to fluency. Now, let's take it deeper. You can practice this all day. When you wake up, say, I am waking up. When you brush your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. When you eat, say, I am eating. When you walk, say, I am walking. Every small action becomes English practice. You don't need to speak out loud. Just think, quietly, naturally, again and again. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Right now, your brain is strong in your language, but with practice, it will become strong in English too. Now remember this. Simple English is powerful. You don't need difficult words. You don't need to sound perfect. Instead of saying, I am extremely happy today, just say, I am happy.
Clear. Easy. Fast.
Now, let's make it more interesting. Start asking yourself questions in your mind. What is this? This is a book. What am I doing? I am sitting. Where am I going? I am going home. Now your brain is not only thinking, it is having a conversation. Another powerful habit is repeating. When you hear English, repeat it in your mind. If you hear, good morning, say in your mind, good morning. If you hear, how are you? Repeat, how are you? This helps your brain remember patterns. It helps you speak more naturally. And listen carefully. Do not be afraid of mistakes. In your mind, you are safe. No one hears you. No one judges you. You can try again and again. Mistakes are not a problem. They are part of learning. Now, let's add one more step. When you think a word,
see it in your mind.
If you say apple, see a red apple. If you say car, see a car moving. This connects words with meaning, and your memory becomes stronger. You can do this anywhere. At home, on the bus, walking outside. You don't need anything. Just your mind. Now take a slow breath and say in your mind, I am learning English. Again, I am learning English.
Good.
You have already started.
Keep practicing.
Small thoughts every day, and slowly, your brain will begin to think in English, naturally. And when that happens, speaking will become easy. Wow, you did great. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more. See you next time. Practice now.